Most new authors think that publishing on Kindle is enough, but the truth is you're leaving money on the table if you're not also publishing on paperback and hardcover versions. In this video, I'll show you how to take one manuscript and turn it into 3 versions of the same book: Kindle, paperback, and hardcover, to maximize your royalties. By the end, you'll see why every serious author should be publishing on all 3 formats. Let's dive right into it. So part 1, why multiple formats matter. Readers don't all buy the same book. Some only read ebooks on their Kindle, but others prefer the feel of a paperback book. And some even want the premium look of a hardcover on their shelf. By offering all 3, you're not just giving readers options, you're capturing every type of buyer and multiplying your royalty potential. Which brings me to part 2, Kindle royalties. Let's start with Kindle. Amazon KDP pays 70% on Kindle ebooks that are priced between $2.99 and $9.99. That's your sweet spot. For example, if you sell your Kindle version for $4.99, you'll make around $3.50 per sale. Not bad. But here's where things get interesting. Part 3, paperback royalties. Now, paperbacks usually sell for $12.99 to $16.99. After printing costs, you'll still take home $4 to $6 per copy. That's often double what you'd make from a Kindle copy. And many readers naturally prefer paperbacks, so it's not like it's a small portion of your audience. Now, part 4, hardcover royalties. Now, let's talk hardcovers. Hardcovers can sell from $19.99 to $29.99 depending on the niche. Even after printing costs, you still pocket $6 to $10 per sale. Hardcovers feel premium, they make your book look more legitimate, and buyers are already used to paying more for them. So part 5, the strategy. One book, 3 income streams. So here's where the magic happens. One manuscript becomes 3 products. The Kindle edition captures budget-conscious readers, the paperback hits the sweet spot for mass market appeal, and the hardcover gives you premium profits and authority. Together, these 3 formats maximize royalties and build your credibility as a professional author. So section 6, bundles and cross-selling. Don't forget, Amazon often displays all 3 versions side by side. Readers see the ebook, paperback, and hardcover versions all together. This alone can increase perceived value. Someone who might have spent $5 on your ebook suddenly decides to grab the $16 paperback version instead. Or they even sprint for the hardcover version because it looks more professional. This side-by-side pricing psychology is one of the easiest ways to boost royalties. So let's recap. Kindle is great for volume, paperback is your reliable bread and butter, and hardcover is your premium product. Publish all 3 and you turn one manuscript into 3 streams of royalties. If you want to learn the exact step-by-step system that I use to publish in all formats, optimize for royalty, and scale into multiple income streams, that's exactly what I cover in my complete course. The link is below if you're ready to start building your publishing empire. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.